Hi guys, this manual food chopper has made meal prep so much faster. It's a full string design. You just put your onion, garlic, whatever you're chopping into a bowl. Close the lid and pull the cord. The more you pull, the thinner it chops. Then pulls for coarse, 15 for medium, 20 plus for a fine miniature pulse. Works great for onion, garlic, ginger, vegetables, even nuts and herbs. The best part is chopping onion without crying. Your hands never touch the onion and the lid keeps everything. Container is completely manual, no electricity or batteries needed, and it's way quieter than a food processor. The bowl holds 50 milliliters, which is a decent amount. Cleanup is super easy. Everything comes apart and you can rinse in underwater. The blade is sharp and detachable. I use it all the time for salsa, guacamole, chopping garlic for stir fry. It's compact and doesn't take up much counter space. My wife actually gave this to me as a stocking stuffer, and it became one of these kitchen tools. I use it multiple times a week.